Yeah, I'm legit. I didn't finish the J yet, you know, because I don't want to get like too stuck on one. But I legit so faded, right? It feels almost unfair to jump to this next one. I feel like my review on it might not be the same too if I was like just sober. This one too also has a melt. It's just starting. It has a melt to it, but flavor-wise, the Alien ET kicked his ass. We have to taste the next one, and we're gonna have to give them a rating 1 out of 3. Right now, the Alien, you guys, is up. No cap. Officially on the last one, Thai, iced tea, dude. Thai, way too faded for this shit, bro. Alright, we gotta rate them down. The Alien was the best one. The Thai iced tea second, and then the horchata was my least favorite. But that's as far as like actual smoke, you feel me, and just everything in general. At the end of the day, I feel like that's what matters, is like how it tastes and how it hits, you feel me? So the Alien ET went crazy, you know what I'm saying? But look, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you do your part by hitting the like button. Let's break 5,000 likes, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, baby. Till next time, your boy, Mr. THC.
Everybody in New York was calling to get down with Mr. Nice Guy. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
Casa su casa.
Observe.
You're Scarface, right? Yeah. I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever seen Son of a Woman on weed? That's the way to say it, man. It's just whack.
Pow.
$60, yo.
Cool, man. I got it. Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill, man?
No, I don't know, yo.
Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill on weed? Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. It's just some weird shit, man.
Man, you're fucking crazy, yo.
No, it's cool. Thanks, man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
Let's discuss my payment.
That time is past. No 5,000 for you.
The price is 50.
How about your payment is you get to leave?
Not enough.
Now you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephews go to a certain motel, pay a visit to your daughter-in-law and your little granddaughter. What do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully.
I get my money. Or neither of us walk out of here.
You willing to die for this?
Maybe I need the 50,000 more than you do. I've got a 71 Camaro I bought when I was 19.
I just got a little mini Cooper.
I drive a Prius. I have a Toyota pickup.
All right, Team WC. We will see y'all in the morning. Good to see y'all, Vanna. I'm getting up out.